What's up, y'all? Big Parker here, Big Buildings Direct. We're in a great state of Virginia today. Excited to show you guys a very special project we did for Brownstown Farms. Let's take a look. All right, you guys, we're walking up here. You can see this beautiful overhang. As you're walking up here, we got the nice 15-foot wide wraparound lean-to. It's a new design we're offering. It's gonna be growing in popularity. Got a nice 15-foot wide from the front to start. Got a nice 13 wide frame out here. If you look up in here, you can see the double truss system. Everything does change based upon where you're at, different engineering, things of that. But you can see the double truss we got on these 15 wide lean-tos. Nice upgrade. You can see these large header bars up above, opening everything up. Instead of the standard framework you have every about 4 or 5 feet, put these large headers, open it up, get some airflow through, get some lighting through. Really gives you the opportunity to do anything and everything you want in these structures. As you can see here, we did these frame outs. The nice thing about doing frame outs for walk-in doors, windows, things of that sort, you can really give the opportunity to do whatever you want with it. Add in the quality of door, walk-in door, window you're looking for, B, the aesthetic look, and see that it's gonna fit the design that you want it to. You keep walking around, you can see the rack guard trim. You're gonna have your paneling sit on top of it. The rack guard's gonna sit directly underneath it to make sure there's a nice solid seal there to protect from rodents, water, anything entering the structure. Can have no opportunity with that rack guard trim here. You can see a window here. We actually framed out all the windows, walk-in doors, everything on this project for them to get the window quality they wanted, design, the look, and the sizing. These windows are about 4 foot wide, 4 foot tall. The project's built 5 foot on center. They fit in there perfectly with the jammer on the window. Call it a day. The Browns also did add gutters after we had the project installed. Very popular option. With this 1 foot overhang, it's great to make sure you have that to keep all the water flowing away from your structure. You step back a little bit here, you can actually see the raised center aisle. What we did on this barn is a 30 wide center section and 2 15-foot wide lean-tos connecting to it. We did the center section an 18-foot leg height. With that 312 pitch standard, putting you right around 21 feet, 9 inches on the peak height of this roof line. So it's a damn tall building. You got the nice 2 foot tall by 4 foot wide window frame outs above the connection points. One great point about these windows is they're fixed pane. We're at the back portion of this project, which might be my favorite part. We got the 15-foot utility overhang, not only on the right lean-to, not only on the center, but also the left lean-to. 15-foot utility overhang option on the entirety of the project. Gives you that extra added space. As you look up here, you got the 1 foot overhang. You do have the fascia blocked in. Nice upgrade option that we include on our projects with those 1 foot overhangs. You got the double truss system. Got the exterior paneling here all finished out. We have a 10 by 10 frame out going in that right lean-to. Give you the option to store, move in, whatever you need. And in the center portion, you know what we did. We did that 14 by 14 frame out. Get anything and everything within that door that you need to. Left side, we did an additional 10 by 10 frame out for produce. Have the produce come in one door, has to come out another door for those of you guys that know that rule as well. These utility options really give you the option to have all your equipment outside, storage, just some quick wash bays as well. It's a really, really nice upgrade option that really makes your project go from being a standard to being that one-of-a-kind project. It's a great option here, guys, to show you the sizing for a 30 by 40 by 18 project. The usable space you have in here, a lot of open area. 30 by 40 is perfect. You get a full-size pickup in there, full toolbox in front of it, have enough room to walk in between, do what you need to on the truck, have enough room for jumbo, little smaller vehicles. 30 by 40 is that perfect size for that option. As you can see from the exterior of the unit, we got an interior view of these fixed pane, 4 foot wide, 2 foot tall windows, phenomenal for that natural light source in here. Really allow nature to give its presence within the structure. On the interior as well here, a nice upgrade that we made sure that occurred. We did interior paneling on the inside of the barn. Another cool upgrade option you can do, and also customization option. Instead of keeping the paneling on the exterior where the lean-tos are, you can actually panel the interior of it if you're gonna have more people in here and want to show it off a little bit. It's a nice, easy, simple way to finish it out versus taking the time to drywall it, spend extra money and time on that. Metal paneling on the interior of the unit as well. Really clean, nice aesthetic look to upgrade to. Now, if you look up above with this 18-foot leg height, nice upgrade option that comes standard with that is these ladder legs. You can see them, you can literally climb up, and you got 2 studs with an interior spacer welded together. Now we're in this 15 by 40 section of the lean-to. It's 15 foot wide, 40 foot long enclosed, 10 foot leg height in here. Gives you the opportunity for anything you want to do in here. They plan to add in some small office space, a little break room up in front. Got a nice walk-in door frame out underneath that nice wraparound lean-to overhang. Come right in here, 15 wide, 40 long with that partition wall. You got the ladder legs here. You can see how we did the interior paneling. There, you got the legs showing on the interior here. Gives you the opportunity to add in your electrical behind the scenes, run it up and through if you need to, wall this all off. Gives you the opportunity to really pick and play with what you want to do with your project. That's the beauty of these barns. Walking in from that 30 by 40 center section of the barn, we got a nice 72 by 80 frame out here. Be nice for some barn sliders. We're walking into right lean-to now from the exterior. We got 2 of these now, remember. Another 15 wide, 40 foot length, 10 foot leg height. It gives you the opportunity to do anything. They're gonna add in some bathrooms here. You can see the existing plumbing ready to go for them. Great contact point there on the plumbing. Make sure you don't have it too close to any walls coming down on the interior barn. That can mess up a whole lot of issues. Try to keep it congregated towards the center and makes that installation a lot easier down the road. The base rail here sitting flush against it. You got the rack guard trim sitting directly underneath it. This project's sealed up like no other. You can also see the double truss system on the inside of these lean-tos. These 15-foot wide lean-tos, we want to make sure that truss system doesn't sag over time, so we double up on those trusses, add a little bit extra reinforcement to them. Walking back through that 1,200 square foot section in front, we got a nice 60-foot width, 20-foot depth with the added partition walls we did on this project. You're gonna have shipping, receiving in the center portion here. On this right side, we're actually gonna have a cold storage option for them. You're gonna have help out with produce, things like that. And then on the left lean-to, gives you the option to build it out for some additional office space, get some more behind the scenes stuff of what's going on with the business portion here of everything. One thing we're always about at Big Buildings Direct is help support local business. One of the beauties about this project for Brownstown Farms is not only for them, it's to help to support the Virginia farming community, have everybody come together and give them an awesome place to have all their product in one spot and setting. Ecstatic to be a part of this and be a contributing factor.